Hello guys, I would like to share that video with you guys. We got Recaro seat CS Sport. So we have to paint these as a silver color. Here you go guys, now we have to extend that bit here, but of course we have to groove it, like make it like a V shape. Now the rail's been installed and this is the passenger seat. Of course we have to put the weight sensor. That's how it looks from outside. The car, but we have to be very careful. It's quite heavy, and then we might do some damages. So when you take it off, you have to be very careful. Go. The action time now. Here you go. This is the front pieces as well. Go. Now they are being painted silver. Here it is. This one for the back. Here it is, finally the Recaro being fitted. You can see from outside it's completely different than the original one, obviously. There you go. Perfect. Of course, put the seat belts as well. Dashboards, there is no signs. The airbags working fine as well. We connected the airbags. When you disconnect the seat belts, the light will go on. Yeah. The other side same. The weight sensor, they working perfect. Airbags working perfect. So here you go guys.